Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there was a tiny water drop named Drippy. Drippy lived in a river and loved nothing more than to float downstream. Yippee! Watching the world go by. One day, a gust of wind blew Drippy up into the sky, and he felt himself being lifted higher and higher until he became a cloud. Drippy was amazed at his new surroundings. He could see for miles around and felt the cool, refreshing air all around him. As he floated higher into the sky, he met other water droplets who had also been lifted into the air by the wind. Together, they formed a big fluffy cloud, and Drippy felt like he was a part of something bigger than himself. But as the day went on, the cloud grew heavier and darker, and suddenly Drippy felt himself being pulled down to earth. As he fell, Drippy became a raindrop and landed on a leaf. He felt himself being absorbed by the plant and traveling through its stem until he reached the roots. From there, he joined the groundwater and began his journey back to the river where he started. Drippy was amazed by his journey and learned all about the water cycle. He discovered that water can exist in 3 different forms: solid, liquid, and gas, and that constantly moves through the cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. As Drippy made his way back to the river, he encountered obstacles along the way, like rocks and soil. But he kept on moving. When he finally reached the river, he felt a sense of accomplishment, knowing that he had completed all incredible journey. So, that's the story of Drippy and the incredible journey of a water drop. Remember, water is a precious resource and it's important to conserve it and keep it clean. The water cycle is a never-ending process that sustains life on our planet, and we should all do our part to protect it.